So I'm getting my soil right. This is one of my go-tos. See, it says no mixing, ready to use. Usually there's enough in here, nutrients and things that the plants need for about 3 months. I basically don't add anything to this dirt except perlite. You know, you want to break up the dirt so it's not as clumpy, you know, so the roots can breathe. Basically, that's what the perlite is for. It's for, you know, what's the word, aeration? You know, it helps the roots stretch out and things like that. So you can pretty much use perlite and a lot of different things, whatever you're growing. So yeah, get you a bin or a bucket, whatever you prefer to mix it in. You should probably get a mask or something because this perlite could get real cloudy, as you can see right here. You know, you don't want to get it all up in your lungs and stuff like that. And pretty much that's just the basic premium, aka dirt or soil you could use for starters and up to 3 months, according to what the bag says on what you're growing. So on that note, keep it basic for beginners. If you like this content, please consider subscribing to the channel. And on that note, peace, just be love.
Understand, I know about being so broke. No clothes, gotta rock a coat for a shirt. Don't make a permanent decision on temporary terms. Violate the wrong thing that day, you gon' learn it's time to get right. I see stress escalating. You learn to invest, get off the corporate plantation. My vision right, baby, and framework done. I told my mama I'm reborn, this ain't the same old son. Look what financial literacy done done. Look what financial literacy done done. You got to educate yourself or you gon' remain dumb. Understand?